Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10. So first of all, connect the USB and turn on the PC and press the key F12 or F10 or some PCs have skip key. So press the key and start. You will get this menu. This is a boot menu. Here you will have to select your USB, like I have this USB. So click enter and it will take you directly to the Windows installation menu. So here you just have to click on the next. Here click on the install button. Now we don't have activation key, so we're just going to have to skip. Some Windows already have it. So now in the next menu you have to select different Windows have different kind of system. Like some have 64-bit and some have 32-bit. So 32-bit is also multi 86-bit. So you can choose any of them depending upon your system. My system is 64-bit, so I'm going to select 64-bit. So click on next and I accept, and then click on custom. And here I'm going to delete format my drives because I don't need their data. Because if you need your data not to be deleted, don't select that drive. I'm selecting partition 2 as my primary, so I will install the window here. So I'm just going to click on the next button. I'm going to install on, I just click on the next. After that, the window will start its installation process and it will take around 15 minutes usually. Some PCs take longer, some takes less time. So I'm just going to skip the process and take you right to the next step. Let me fast forward it for you. Now let's choose our country. So I'm selecting United States for now and click on yes. Then select your language. Then you have to install whether you want to connect your Wi-Fi. Then after skipping few steps, you have to select your name, like what you are going to give your system a name, like any name of your choice. Then click on next. And that's it. That's all it takes to install a window. Now window is installed successfully. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel if you like my video.